Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Dodge Avenger alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable, often found on the strut tower. Next, gather your tools, including a 16mm wrench for the belt tensioner and a 13mm socket for mounting bolts. Always ensure your engine is cool before beginning this repair. To access the alternator, safely raise your vehicle and remove the front passenger wheel. Next, remove the inner fender well and any splash shields to gain clear access. Use a 16mm wrench to release the serpentine belt tension, then carefully remove the belt. Finally, disconnect the two electrical connections from the alternator. Now unbolt the 3 AC compressor mounting bolts and gently move the compressor out of the way, keeping the lines attached. Remove the idler pulley, then proceed to unbolt the 2 main alternator mounting bolts. Carefully extract the old alternator, often through the wheel while opening. Position the new alternator, aligning its mounting holes, and loosely install the bolts. Begin by fully tightening the new alternator's mounting bolts. Reinstall the idler pulley, applying blue thread locker, and secure the AC compressor, tightening its 3 bolts to 18 foot-pounds. Carefully route the serpentine belt over all pulleys, then reconnect the negative battery cable. Start your engine and confirm the charging system is operating correctly, typically around 14 volts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.